March 8, 2014, began like any other day. At Kuala Lumpur International Airport, Malaysia Airlines flight MH370 prepared for a routine flight to Beijing, China. On board were 227 passengers and a crew of 12. At 12:41 a.m., MH370 took off into the night sky. The initial leg of the journey was uneventful. Air traffic controllers tracked its progress over the South China Sea, but within an hour, the unthinkable would happen. MH370 would vanish, leaving behind a mystery that would captivate the world. About 38 minutes into the flight, something strange happened. As MH370 approached Vietnamese airspace, it deviated from its planned route. Air traffic control expected a routine handover to Vietnamese controllers. At 1:21 a.m., MH370's transponder went silent. The plane disappeared from radar screens. Their calls went unanswered. MH370 had vanished. What had happened to MH370? Where had it gone? News of MH370's disappearance spread quickly, sparking an international search effort. Time was critical. Every passing hour diminished the chances of finding survivors. The initial focus was the South China Sea, the area where the plane was last detected. Ships and aircraft from multiple countries scoured the waters. They searched for any sign of the plane debris, an oil slick, anything that could provide a clue. As days turned into weeks, the search area expanded. The lack of any wreckage in the South China Sea suggested that MH370 had flown for hours after its last communication. But where could it have gone? The mystery deepened with each passing day. The search for MH370 became the largest and most expensive in aviation history. Yet, the plane remained elusive. The initial search efforts were a race against time, a desperate attempt to find the missing plane and any potential survivors. The world watched and hoped for a miracle, but as time went on, the hope began to dwindle. Ocean Infinity entered the scene with advanced deep-sea exploration technology. Their autonomous underwater vehicles, or AUVs, map and search the ocean floor. Equipped with sonar and cameras, these AUVs cover vast areas independently. In 2018, they embarked on a mission to locate MH370 in the southern Indian Ocean. Using satellite data and drift modeling, they targeted a specific region. Section 5, Clues from the Deep Debris, offers tantalizing hints. Although the main wreckage of MH370 remained elusive, several pieces of debris offered tantalizing clues about the plane's fate. These fragments, confirmed to be from MH370, washed ashore on islands thousands of miles apart, carried by ocean currents. Each piece of debris was meticulously analyzed. Experts examined their condition, looking for clues about the plane's final moments. The debris provided some insights, but also deepened the mystery. For example, the flaperon, a part of the wing, was found to be in a retracted position. This suggested that the plane may have glided into the water rather than crashing directly. The analysis of the debris, while providing valuable information, also highlighted the challenges faced by investigators. The ocean is a vast and unforgiving environment, and even small clues can be difficult to interpret. The debris offered glimpses into the final moments of MH370, but the full picture remained elusive. Section 6. Listening for answers, the promise of hydroacoustic technology. In the search for MH370, hydroacoustic technology emerged as a crucial tool. This technology uses sound waves to detect and analyze objects underwater. Just as sonar helps submarines navigate, hydroacoustic sensors can detect anomalies on the ocean floor that might indicate the presence of wreckage. Specialized ships tow hydrophones, sensitive underwater microphones, through the water. These hydrophones listen for any sounds that stand out from the normal ocean noise. The challenge is to distinguish between sounds made by marine life, geological activity, and potential man-made objects like aircraft wreckage. Hydroacoustic technology has been used successfully in other underwater searches, including locating shipwrecks and downed aircraft. In the case of MH370, The hope is that by analyzing hydroacoustic data, experts might identify sounds consistent with an impact event or debris field. While challenging, this technology offers a way to see through the darkness of the deep ocean and potentially uncover the secrets hidden within. Section 7. Murmurs from the abyss, unconfirmed signals and lingering doubts. Hydroacoustic surveys in the search for MH370 have yielded intriguing results, but also fueled uncertainty. Several potential signals have been detected, raising hopes that they might lead to the wreckage. However, confirming the origin of these signals is a complex and challenging process. The vastness of the ocean, the presence of natural sounds from marine life and geological events, and the possibility of man-made noise pollution make it difficult to definitively attribute any signal to MH370. Experts must carefully analyze the characteristics of each signal, comparing them to known sounds of aircraft debris and other potential sources. The unconfirmed findings from hydroacoustic surveys highlight the importance of cautious optimism in the search for MH370. While each potential signal offers a glimmer of hope, it is crucial to temper expectations until concrete evidence is found. The search for MH370 continues, driven by the pursuit of answers, but the mystery remains shrouded in the depths of the ocean. Section 8. The enigma endures. Theories and speculations. In the absence of a definitive explanation for MH370's disappearance, numerous theories and speculations have emerged, ranging from plausible scenarios to more outlandish claims. Some experts believe a catastrophic mechanical failure, such as a sudden decompression or an electrical fire, could have led to the plane's demise. Others point to the possibility of pilot suicide or a deliberate hijacking attempt. The lack of concrete evidence has allowed these theories to flourish, with each offering a different interpretation of the limited data available.
Some theories suggest that MH370 might have landed safely at a remote location, while others propose that it was intentionally flown off course for unknown reasons. The proliferation of theories underscores the profound impact of MH370's disappearance on the public imagination. The event has captivated the world, prompting countless discussions, documentaries, and investigations. While the truth remains elusive, the search for answers continues, fueled by a desire to understand what happened on that fateful night.
Section 9. A loss that echoes, families seek closure. For the families of the 239 passengers and crew aboard MH370, the disappearance has been a nightmare without end. The lack of closure, the unanswered questions, and the uncertainty surrounding their loved one's fate have left them in a state of perpetual grief and anguish.
Many families refuse to give up hope, clinging to the belief that their loved ones may still be alive. They have actively participated in the search efforts, organizing their own investigations and advocating for continued exploration. The emotional toll on these families has been immeasurable as they navigate the complexities of grief, loss, and the unknown. The disappearance of MH370 serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of life and the profound impact that such tragedies have on those left behind. Their unwavering dedication to finding answers and honoring the memory of their loved ones is a testament to the strength of the human spirit in the face of unimaginable loss.
Section 10. MH370. An unanswered question in the sky. The disappearance of Malaysia Airlines flight MH370 remains one of the most baffling aviation mysteries in history. Despite years of extensive searches, the deployment of advanced technology, and the tireless efforts of investigators, the plane's final resting place and the circumstances surrounding its disappearance remain shrouded in uncertainty. The lack of a definitive crash site, the limited debris recovered, and the absence of a distress signal continue to fuel speculation and challenge conventional explanations. MH370 stands as a haunting reminder of the vastness and power of the ocean and the limits of human understanding. While the search for answers may continue, the world may never fully know what happened on that March night in 2014. The legacy of MH370 will likely endure, inspiring ongoing investigations, scientific advancements, and a profound sense of wonder about the mysteries that lie hidden beneath the waves.